Welcome to the MyOnlineToolbox tutorial of Quick Estimate. Now I'm here today to show you just how easy MyOnlineToolbox is and how anyone can use it. So let's get started. If you're looking for a quick way to create an estimate from anywhere, including the field with a portable PC, this tutorial is for you. The scenario we'd like to project is you're at a customer. You and the customer have agreed that the side entry garage door is rotted and does need to be replaced, but the customer prefers that there be a written estimate before you do the work. You can do that right now, right where you are. Here's how. You just need to create the job here in the job information, and we'll get you here in 2 clicks, and then you need to create the estimate, and we're going to do that in 1 click. Here we go. You would have logged in to MyOnlineToolbox. You would come to the main menu bar here, over Jobs, and then click Job List. That brings you to your job list screen. Then you navigate over to the toolbar on the top right and click New Job. And here we are to enter the job information. MyOnlineToolbox requires a job name so that you can tell the difference between this job and any other jobs that you will do for this customer when you look back at history. So the job name here will be Side Entry Garage Door. Next, you may want to write a description. It's not mandatory, but we'll do one just as a demonstration. And we're done. We're going to skip past the priority tab. This would be for when you've scheduled appointments and you've prioritized them. And we're going to go right to the customer name. I'm choosing New Customer, and I'm going to put in Jackie Rose as the name of the customer. Now I've saved it. I obviously do not have a new customer's address, so I'm going to enter that real quick. 11199 Polo Club Road. I'm leaving road out, skipping city, putting zip code in only, and clicking the verify button, letting the system finish this address for me, and you can see it did. This is a whole nother tutorial you'll find in MyOnlineToolbox. Be sure to see this. This is a very powerful tool. Saves you a lot of time, as I've demonstrated here. Also gives me a map if necessary. Saving the address, and now the job information is now complete. Next, we're going to go up and click on Estimate. Now the system has entered the default information for me. I can usually ignore this and just move on to entering the details of the estimate. I'll do that by navigating to the toolbar on the top right, choose New Line, where I can enter a task detail. And that detail will be replace side garage door. The quantity will be 1. I'm just going to hit F until I get what I want. There's flat for a flat rate, and I'm going to charge $400. Now I'm going to save that line. Now I could be done with this estimate right now, but maybe I want to make reference to the actual door that I'm going to put in there. I will just hover over Add Materials, click the icon, and up comes the material screen. At the toolbar on the top, I'm going to choose New Material, and I'll add the door. Door, exterior, skip the part number, and we'll say each. I'm not going to put any money in here because I've included the price of the door in the flat rate, so I'm not going to mark this as billable, and I'll just save the material and close the form. The only thing left to do is to print it, get the customer's signature, so that we can create the invoice when we're finished. That concludes the MyOnlineToolbox tutorial of Quick Estimate.